Hi friends, welcome to Daily Answer Writing with Santosh sir. Today I have selected a question for the daily answer writing from the daily practice sheet which I have framed on the Hindu editorial on the topic of depopulation. Guys, today there was an editorial on the topic of depopulation where the issue of depopulation was critically examined. So in that context I have framed a question. Okay, but before I go into the question and the answer to this question, let me give a small message to all the UPSC aspirant. Guys, I get a lot of queries about sir how to do answer writing and is there any shortcut to do answer writing. Guys, I can tell you answer writing is like speaking skill. Okay, writing skill and speaking skill, okay, these two skills you can only develop by practicing. There is no shortcut to answer writing. Okay, what I can do through these sessions is to give you ideas how to think inside the exam hall in the stipulated amount of time, and I can also give you my strategies which has helped me to crack the mains examination 4 times. What are the different ways of presentation of your idea so that you can get the maximum marks, okay, in the exam hall. But guys, all these ideas will be only useful if you practice these answers daily. Okay, daily you should make a habit that daily I am going to write one answers. What you can do is that after I post this after I post this video, you can, okay, you can take the question and you can write the answer and you can compare your answer with my answer. You can do that. Okay, so let's begin, guys. So the question today is, what do you understand by depopulation? Discuss its impact on economy and society. Okay, so what I will do is that I will, okay, I will set a timer here. I will set a timer here. Okay, so you can see here I am setting a timer. This is a okay, this is a 10 marker question. This is a 10 marker question. Okay, because it just has two parts. Okay, or it can be a 15 marker question also if I have to explain it from the entire case study of India. But let me attempt it from a 15 marker point of view because I want to give a lot of examples so that you will learn how to present your answer. So I'm just, okay, I'm starting the timer here. Okay, you can see here that I have started the timer. So let me write an answer to this. So first point says, what do you understand by depopulation? I'll directly start. Okay, I'll say that, I'll write that depopulation refers to decline in the population. Then what I will give the context. Okay, throughout the developed world, many countries are facing the problem of depopulation. Okay, recently, according to UN, China for the first time experienced decline in population. It is said that although India's population is going to grow till 2063, but many parts of India, particularly southern state, are going to experience depopulation very early. So I have given a proper context why this topic is in news, why this topic has come. Okay, that in the developed world already they are experiencing population decline, and recently in China also there has been a population decline. And although the India is going to grow till 2063, but many states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala are going to experience depopulation before, okay, somewhere around 2035, 2040. Okay, so then I'll change this thing, impact of depopulation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write, okay, impact on, first of all I'll write, okay, on economy, impact on economy. So I'm going to divide this into three settings: economy, society, and polity. So first impact in economy is what? I'll give 1.1. Okay, it will lead to, okay, decline in working age population, which will impact investments and growth. Okay, I'll give see, it is very important to underline important stuff. Okay, it is very important to underline important stuff. You can see I have underlined. Okay, so first impact will be that. Second impact, 1.2, it will lead to fiscal challenge because of burden of social security. Okay, so economic challenges I have written down. Okay, third, what we can write one more, that it may lead to decline in aggregate demand. Okay, then I have to speed up. Let us say social challenges. Okay, social challenges or social impact. Okay, first is what, what happens that whenever population will decline, okay, there will be, okay, adverse child sex ratio. Okay, so declining population will lead to son preference, as in China, etc., which will adversely impact child sex ratio, which has multiple impacts on status of women. Okay, second, it will lead to migration. Declining population will attract migration, which may lead to various social tensions. Okay, third, problem of elderly, particularly women, may become big. Okay, so I have written economic challenges, social challenges. Okay, then I'll just write something on India. Okay, we can write something on India, that India, although still growing, but many states like southern states are are going to experience depopulation, and we need to prepare for such demographic shift by facilitating skilling of youths in northern India and migrating them to southern India. Okay, so I'll just stop. Okay, so I have taken a little bit more time. Okay, so I've taken around 9 minutes to answer this, because okay, I was talking to you all and explaining it also. Okay, you can see here the question. Okay, what do you understand by depopulation? Okay, discuss the impact on economy and society. Okay, so impact on economy, I have given 3 impacts on economy. Okay, first part, if I can say is, if it is a 10 marker question, so introduction will be around 2 marks. Okay, so I have properly explained what is depopulation, and I have also given some facts and datas and about which countries are depopulating right now. And then impact on like impact of depopulation, economic impact, I have given 3 points. Okay, the main impact is basically the working age population, okay, will reduce, and that will reduce investments and growth. And second, it will burden the basically the social security fiscal challenge. Okay, it will be creating fiscal challenge. It will lead to decline in the aggregate demand. Okay, next, it will have a social impact, which basically adverse child sex ratio. Okay, it will lead to migration and the problem of elderly. So 3 points I have given. So 6 points you can easily. And then I have given some example that where in India this is going to happen. In southern states we are going to happen, and which will lead to migration problem. Okay, so I have given that Indian context also. So here also I can expect 1 marks for giving the Indian context and giving a good conclusion. And so you can see here 6, okay, 2, 8 and 9. So generally, okay, 9 out of 10 is not feasible, but if you can write an ideal answer like this, where you have, okay, you can see how I have broken the question. Okay, because there was, okay, the question had 2 parts. The question had 2 parts, and inside the second part there were 2 parts. Okay, you can see here economy and society. So I have divided economy and then society. Okay, you can see this. Okay, society, social challenges. Okay, so you see how I have written this answer. Okay, and this I am going to do, okay, regularly. I'm going to do it regularly, just like pointers that, okay, you need to start writing. Okay, so if in the comment box I see the comment that yes sir, we are going to write with you, so what I will do that tomorrow onwards I will, okay, in the morning only in the Telegram channel I'll give you the question on which we are going to do answer writing. So you do on your own, and then you cross check with the model answer which I will be writing, okay, live in front of you. Okay, and we can compare it with you, because many people are like, they are basically dependent on evaluation. Okay, that sir, can I join a test series to get my answers evaluated? My simple question is that till when you will be dependent on others for evaluation? Why don't you use this initiative to learn the answer writing, what is the best way of writing answers, and evaluate your answers yourself? So you can use this as a model answer, and you can see the time limit also. I am writing this answer within the time limit. In the model answers which you get in coaching institutes, okay, it is prepared, okay, it is prepared with a lot of research, a lot of Google search and all that. But this I am writing just by reading that editorial and my knowledge. Okay, and you see the kind of structure in which I have written, and this is more than sufficient. Okay, in this is more than sufficient to get the highest marks in the general studies question. Okay guys, so please hit the like button and please share this initiative with others also. I am going to continue this, okay, regularly. At least let us take an oath that till before we enter this new year, okay, before we enter this new year, okay, we are in the month of November, okay, we should enter with confidence that yes, I can do answer writing. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, take care.